Good morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today's topic is in GK we are going to study about musical instrument today. Okay, musical instruments. My dear, hope you all are going through these videos which we are making and sending to you for your studies. It will help in your question answer also, and you will be, if you will watch 2 times or 3 times, you will be able to understand the things more clearly. So if you are watching it, then our efforts, we are getting the reward of our efforts. So keep this in mind. And today's topic is musical instrument. First we will try to understand what is musical instruments, my dear. Musical instruments are the instruments which is used for music. When you will see Indian Idol or that type of song competition, you will see in the TV there are many instruments, in which we will study about some of the instruments today. Okay, now I am going to see what is his name, you know, my dear. He is Ustad Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan, and he was an Indian musician, popular for Sahnai. And what is Sahnai? You know, Sahnai is this instrument which is using. See, and Sahnai is usually used in the wedding ceremony. Ustad Bismillah Khan was an Indian musician credited with popularizing the Sahnai, and usually Sahnai is used in wedding ceremony. Now we will see this. See, who is this? He is, my dear, Pandit Ravi Shankar. And this musical instrument is sitar. Now see, Pandit Ravi Shankar was an Indian sitarist. And you know which type of instrument is sitar? Sitar is a stringed instrument, and that is popular in North India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. We use strings to play it. Now you will see the next instrument. See, whose picture is this, you know? This is the picture of Amit Datta. And he was a famous guitarist. And guitar is also, my dear, a string instrument which is played by plucking the strings. The main parts of the guitar are the body, fretboard, headstock, and the strings. Now we will see the next musician. See, his name is Amjad Ali Khan. Amjad Ali Khan. And Bangesh. His full name is Amjad Ali Khan Bangesh, and he is an Indian classical sarod player. This instrument is known as sarod, and sarod is also a stringed instrument used mainly in Hindustani music on the Indian subcontinent. All over India it is seen, out of the India it is not seen. Now we will see Amjad Ali Khan Bangesh is an Indian classical sarod player. Now we are going to see about he is L. Subramaniam. And this instrument is known as violin. Violin is also like guitar and sitar. This is also an instrument. You will see here are the strings in guitar, in violin, my dear, and which has 4 strings. and is played with a bow. This is the bow. It is played with a bow. The strings are usually tuned to the notes G, D, A, E. Now we will see what is written about him. L. Subramaniam is the greatest Indian violinist. He is the greatest violinist in India. Now see, he is Hari Prasad Chaurasia. What is his name? I am writing here. Hari Prasad Chaurasia. And this instrument is flute. Usually you have seen flute in Lord Krishna's picture, and usually you will see in the Mela also you will get flute. This is a musical instrument that produces sound when a stream of air is directed against the edge of a hole. See here, from the hole he is giving the air, okay, causing the air within the body of the instrument to vibrate. Again, with the vibration the sounds comes out. See, Hari Prasad Chaurasia is a renowned Indian flute player. Now we will see about the next. See, this is the picture of Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma. And which instrument he is having here? This is called santoor, and santoor is made up of walnut and has 25 bridges. Each bridge has 4 strings, my dear, and making for a total of 100 strings. It is traditional instrument in Jammu and Kashmir. Usually people in Jammu and Kashmir used to play santoor. Now you will see that Pandit Shiv Shankar Sharma is a famous santoor player. He is a famous santoor player. Now we will see the next instrument. These all instruments are musical instrument, and beside this also you will see many musical instruments. See, tabla, and this person is Zakir Hussain. And is a famous Indian tabla player, my dear. And tabla is a pair of drum type, okay, twin hand drums made of hollowed out wood, clay or metal also. And beside this there are many more instruments. In school you have learned some songs in harmonium also. That is also a musical instrument. In this when you will go in temple, there also you can see some musical instrument. So there ghungru is also an instrument. So these some of the instruments we have studied right now, and right now I am going to discuss some question answer also about these musical instruments. See, Zakir Hussain is a famous Indian tabla player. Who picture right now I have shown of Zakir Hussain only. After completing the chapter, we will do some work. This is your homework, and you have to write the instruments these musicians use. Means you have to write the name of the instrument which Zakir Hussain used. And which instrument does Zakir Hussain use, my dear? And Zakir Hussain is a tabla player. So beside Zakir Hussain, what we will write? Tabla player. Tabla player. Okay. Now next is Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma. And which musical instrument does do Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma uses? And Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is related with a famous Santoor player. Santoor. Santoor. Okay, he is a famous Santoor player. So he is related with Santoor. Clear? Hari Prasad Chaurasia. And Hari Prasad Chaurasia plays flute. Flute, all of you are knowing about flute? Flute is an instrument which we blow air in. Sound comes out. Ustad Bismillah Khan. And he is a popular in Sehnai. My dear, Sehnai is known by the name of Bismillah Khan only, because he is a very popular musician of Sehnai. And usually Sehnai is played in wedding ceremony and that type of functions. Pandit Ravi Shankar. And Pandit Ravi Shankar plays sitar. So he is a sitarist. Next is Amti Datta, and Amti Datta plays guitar. Amjad Ali Khan, and Amjad Ali Khan is a sarod player. L. Subramaniam, and L. Subramaniam plays violin. Thank you, my dear. Hope you all will do your work very nicely. Bye bye.